Welcome back to Learn and Build Web Application using ASP.NET MVC and Code First Entity Framework video series. In this Lab 17 video, we're going to see how to create a custom HTML helper using extension method in MVC for image tag. Okay, so let us go to the application. Here you can see there is no logo present over here. So let us add some logo using some image using HTML helper. Okay. Now I will go for level.cs HTML page. So here you can see your logo here. Okay. So here I have to replace this with a image tag for displaying the image. Okay. And also let me add one of the image to the image folder. Okay. I'll paste it here. Let me give the proper name to this .NET source PNG. Okay. First, let me add the image using normal image tag. Okay, image, let me give the ID as img dns. Okay, and also we have to provide the source for image. So let me add this .NET source. Okay, this is the image which we want to display, .NET source. So .NET source, we have to provide the proper relative path slash images slash .NET source. Okay, so .png. Let us give alternative name for this as DNS University, and also provide some style. Let us provide height and width for this image 75 pixel, and width as width also 75 pixel. Okay, now let us see that the image will be displayed or not. Let us build the application and check it. Okay, you can see here image is coming over here, the logo is coming over here. Okay, so this one we have implemented using image tag. Okay, now let us see how can we implement same thing using HTML helper. Currently there is no HTML helper which is present for image tag. Okay, if you want you can check it like at HTML dot, there is no image tag in HTML helper. So let us create one custom HTML helper for image tag. Okay, so for doing this, let us create one new folder for HTML helpers where it contains all the set of HTML helpers. Okay, so let me add one new folder, name it as HTML helpers. Okay, now also we have to add one class for this. We want to create a HTML helper for image tag. So let me name it as image helper. Okay, so add it. So class got generated. Now, first rule in creating extension method is it should be a static class. So let me make this class a static, and we should create one static method, public static The return type will be MVC HTML string, since we're gonna return a tag, that is a image tag. Okay, click control dot. Okay, this MVC HTML string can be used only in MVC. I want to create it for create a method image. For this static method, I have to pass HTML helper. Okay, and also I need to pass uh, that is I have to pass it as an object. Okay, instance. Now one ID for it, and source string alternative text for providing the alternate text, and last if we want to specify any of the object properties like height, width, etc. Okay, so if you want to specify any of those like this, we have seen in layout.cs HTML page. Okay, so if you want to pass it as any of the height properties, style, height, width, border, etc. So we need to send it as a object. Okay, for this we will be creating one object HTML attribute. Okay, so this is the static method which I am creating. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so first I want to create one tag builder, where tag builder is equal to new tag builder. Okay, since am going to create, I want to create an image tag. I'm using this class tag builder for creating image tag, and for generating the ID, I will be using builder.generate ID. So I'll be giving the same whatever the ID which I am getting from the view, and I want to merge attribute with I want to merge attribute source to source, that is source C, source comma source C, and then I want to merge attribute with alternative text to. Okay, so finally uh, whatever the objects that is object properties which we gonna send it from the view. Okay, that one we have to merge. So that one, for that one we have to use merge attributes. Okay, so there is a slight difference you can see. For object we have to select merge attributes, and here we gonna select new root value dictionary, root value dictionary, value dictionary. Okay, so here I'm going to pass that HTML attribute which is nothing but a object which we are passing from the view page. Okay, finally I have to render MVC HTML string. Okay, so return MVC HTML string dot create. Okay, so builder dot to string, and here we have to close tag render mode dot self closing. Okay, we have to close the tag. So we have created one extension method for image tag. Okay, so this is the custom HTML helper which we are creating right now. Now we have to go to layout.cshtml page, and we have to use the helper method which we have created at using. Okay, so name of the project dot HTML helpers. Okay, now what we can do is we can comment it out this one image tag, and now let us create a custom HTML helper. Let us call the custom HTML helper which we have created. Okay, so now let's go to this page and refresh and see. Now there should not be any logo. Okay, something went wrong. The type or namespace does not exist in the namespace TN. Are you missing any? Okay, the problem here is after creating that we did not give a build. Okay, let's rebuild the solution and now check it. Okay, so the issue got resolved. So now we shall call that. So here you can see there is no logo right now. Now we can call that custom HTML helper. Okay, so at HTML dot you can now you can see that image helper is present right now. So you can call this image HTML helper. So the first uh, the first parameter will be ID. Okay, you have to pass some ID. Let me give some ID image DNS, and the second one is you can see your source we have to provide. So source will be slash images slash .NET source .NET source .png, and the third one we have to provide the alternative text. Okay, so and finally if we want to specify any style related styles, then we have to specify it as an object. Okay, so we can create a new object and provide it like a height is equal to height is equal to 75 pixel and width is equal to 75 pixel. Okay, so we have called this custom HTML helper. Let's build the solution and check it. So now we should be able to see the logo. Okay, so we are able to see the logo here.